Hello ladies and gentlemen, and let me introduce to you the camera which I need not introduce. This is a legendary Zenit 12XP film camera, 35mm film camera. It was produced in the USSR in the 1980s, and back then, when I was a young guy, I was dreaming about buying this camera when it was brand new. And it was not beige, by the way. It could be either all black or black and metal. By the way, I don't like this color, but that's the only item I saw on Etsy. I bought it there on Etsy, and it came to me from Ukraine. I bought it for $63. Obviously, this camera is not new, and this camera has been refurbished. Obviously it was used and reused before. The shipment from Ukraine to New York City, where I live, it cost me $30 altogether, $93. Still not bad. I am happy that I bought this camera after so many years of dreaming about owning a Zenit camera. Well, it's very simple camera, like most of Zenit cameras from 1980s, 1970s, 1980s. I believe I don't have to explain, I don't have to make an extensive overview of this camera. Everything is simple and self-explanatory. This mechanism is a self-timer, and by the way, if some of you never saw how mechanical self-timer works, very simple. You pull it 180 degrees counterclockwise and press this button. And of course, don't forget to point your camera at the object you want to shoot. Okay. Okay, it's done. Well, this is the film winding mechanism. This is a shutter release, and this dial is for setting a proper shutter speed, and this dial right here is for setting proper film speed. And this button, if you pull it up halfway, you'll be able to rewind the film which you've used up all the way to the end. Or if you, when you finish, you have to pull it even further up, and you'll be able to open the back of the camera, extract the used film, and insert a new one. Well, I decided, obviously, to test this camera, and I decided to put it together with Agfa Color 200 film from Japan. Actually, Agfa is a German brand, but it was manufactured in Japan under German license. Well, it's great because one good quality under the supervision of another good quality. What can be better? So I decided to put them together, and the result, it's for you to judge.